Hi, my name is Jason Work. I come from the Vancouver region. I'm a generalist FAE, and I just came out of the Amphenol session. What really stood out for me was the fact that the electrification of everything, EVs, and energy efficiency, lighting. Those trends are actually shaping the product lines of even Amphenol's products. As far as connectors go, and cable assemblies.
Hello, my name is Matthew Zalager. I'm the Regional Technical Manager for the Northwest. Just got out of the Atomic class and really excited to show these super low power micros to all of our customers.
Hi, good morning. My name is Dinel Shah. I am the Regional Sales Manager for Wireless and Sensors line and I cover California. Before that, I was an FAE with San Diego branch, and it was great. I just got out of the lead class. After 3 years, we are doing AEU in person, which really is great. We are able to see FaceTime with suppliers and able to learn something which we have not learned. And it's good to have that personal touch, meeting the suppliers and other FAEs and other managers. It just makes it great to meet in person all the people I see. Thank you.